In social sciences, a variable refers to any characteristic or attribute that can take on different values or scores for different individuals or units of analysis. Variables are used to study relationships and patterns between different aspects of human behavior, attitudes, and demographics. For example, in a study of the relationship between income and happiness, both income and happiness would be considered variables as they can vary across individuals. Researchers typically collect data on multiple variables in order to test hypotheses and draw conclusions about the relationships between them. In social sciences, variables can be either independent or dependent. An independent variable is a variable that is believed to have an effect on the dependent variable. The dependent variable is a variable that is being studied and is expected to change as a result of changes in the independent variable. In the example above, income would be considered the independent variable and happiness the dependent variable. Here is an example to illustrate the concept of variables in social sciences. Consider a study to examine the relationship between hours of sleep and academic performance. Hours of sleep is the independent variable, as it is believed to have an effect on academic performance. Academic performance is the dependent variable, as it is expected to change based on changes in the independent variable. In this study, the researcher might collect data on the number of hours of sleep and the grades of a sample of students. The researcher would then analyze the data to see if there is a significant relationship between hours of sleep and academic performance. If a significant relationship is found, the researcher can conclude that more hours of sleep leads to better academic performance. In this example, both hours of sleep and academic performance are variables because they can take on different values for different individuals. The values for hours of sleep can range from a few hours to over 10 hours, while the values for academic performance can range from poor to excellent.